told you all my feelings, and you gonna turn around in front like you don't feel me. I put that on my life that I ain't see this coming. Opened up my heart, I should've never let you come in, but I wish you well though.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another wig review for you all. I'm going to be reviewing the unit that I have on my head today, you guys. So this is going to be an Amazon wig review, you guys. I had purchased this unit off of Amazon, and the company that I purchased this hair from on Amazon is called Best For. I think that's what it's called, Best For. I'll leave that link in the description box below if you guys are interested in this red bob, you guys. So y'all, I am loving this. You guys already know that I love red hair, burgundy hair, anything like that. So I had to have this wig, y'all. So with that being said, this wig was $70, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal, you guys. The cap size that I did get is medium. You guys can pick any cap size that you need. It does come pre-plucked, you guys, which was amazing. That the lace on this wig is pretty soft. The hair texture is virgin, 100% virgin hair, you guys. So yeah, and it's really silky. Like, look at that. Look at that. And the lace that comes with this unit was also like a real like light brown kind of whatever. So let's get into this wig. This wig came inside of a little Ziploc bag that just had like a red tag at the end. I'm trying to see if I can find it, but I put it I think this is it right here. Let's see. So yeah, it came in this Ziploc bag. It just said bob 8 inches. Yeah, so this is 8 inches. This is the bag it came in, and it just says short lace 8-inch wig right here at the bottom, and it says that it was made in China. So let's get into the specs about this hair, you guys. I haven't gotten any shedding just yet, y'all. Tangling this hair, as you can see, like this hair is just so bomb. Like, I have no tangling. I could just run my fingers right through it. It is amazing. Please excuse my son talking in the background, you guys. He's behind me. But yeah, as far as I'm concerned, I did put a little bit of my olive oil on it, but it already had luster to this hair, so I really didn't need any oil, but I just put it just to be a little extra. As you guys saw in the clips before this, I went in with my Chief flat iron, you guys. It takes the heat so freaking well. I didn't bump it or anything. I just went through it with my flat iron and things like that. So yeah, so I really do like this wig. I'm definitely going to be purchasing more wigs from this company. So I hope you guys like this wig, you guys, and I hope you guys like what I did to it. I didn't put any baby hairs out, but obviously you guys already know if that's what you want, then you can put baby hairs out on this unit and things like that. But I really do like this wig, y'all. I'm definitely going to be rocking this in the summer with my blonde bob to the blonde bob that I shared with you guys. I'm going to be rocking both of these, y'all. Like, I really do like yes, like this bob is just giving me life. Okay, hey girl, come through and slay. Okay, but if you like red, or you just want to try different colors, y'all, I really do recommend this wig for you guys. This wig is bomb. Okay, it's definitely bomb. So yeah, it also comes pre-plucked, so you don't really have to do anything to it. Just lay and slay your baby hairs. Okay, I did go in with a little bit of my leg airbrush for my I sprayed it on my lace, and I actually brushed it on my wig cap too, and I just put a little bit extra in the middle of my middle part. But yeah, that's all I actually did with this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did use this for flyaways also, but that's about it. I really do like this wig, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review on this unit. If you guys like it, please be sure to thumbs this video up, comment, like, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends, because remember, you guys, Karen, and I'll see you guys in my next video.